Hi guys, my name is Tracy Lee at tracyleecoaching.com, and I welcome you to my video tonight. Tonight, I want you to hit the likes, comments, and subscribe buttons. Hit the notification bell so you can see when I go live next. I appreciate everyone being here tonight. It's good to have you here. Tonight's topic, I want to talk about 3 things that can keep you unstuck in your business. 3 things that can keep you unstuck so you're not stuck all the time. I want to get in a little subject here. Number 1, where you find when you first get started, when you first get started in your businesses or whatever business you come into, most people don't go to their back office. They don't even open up their back office. And you call them up and you say, hey, have you gone and seen your back office training yet? And they say, what back office? They haven't even looked at it yet. What the heck? So make sure that you tell your people to go to their back office and open up their back office for their trainings that they signed up for. And that's what they get. You tell them to open up their back office, review the trainings in there that are strictly for them. That's their business, and those are specifically for them to start to grow and build their business online. The other thing is they can sign up for a program, and they just don't. Some people don't even go in and look at it. For some reason, either they don't know it's there, or they just don't know how to get there. So got to make sure we show them how to get there for sure. That'll definitely help you keep you unstuck if you're into the trainings and know exactly what you're doing or reviewing. You might not know exactly what you're doing, but you're there to learn how to train. So definitely look up the trainings and review those for sure. Once you've opened up your back office, that's number 1. Number 2, implement what you have learned. Once you go to the trainings and you learn as much as you can from them, implement what you've learned. Implement whatever you can what you've learned and take action on it. That's the biggest thing, is taking massive action on the implementations that you need to take and show that you're learning that. Implementation is the biggest part of your business. It's your business. You need to implement those things into your business to make your business thrive. That's what I would do is just make sure that you take massive action and know exactly what you're doing on what's learned, and don't stop and never stop, because every time you stop, you take 2 steps back, and it's harder to get the ball rolling again. You lose all momentum when it comes to that. You never want to stop growing and learning. Everybody's learning and growing every day. Number 3, always stay consistent on what you've learned and what you're implementing in your business. Stay consistent on a consistent basis and build your business. Focus on that one thing, and master it. Doesn't matter what it is, whatever it is in your business, focus on that one thing first and master it first. Once you master that, then you can move on to the next thing. Move on to the next thing and master that. And then you just keep building your business that way. Master one little step at a time, taking 2 steps forward and don't take any steps backwards. That's basically how I've been doing it. I do it a little bit more of a turtle's crawl, but that's the basic thing. So in review, let's review this one more time. The things that keep you unstuck is when you first get started, make sure that you're having your people or your team going to their back office and opening up their back office so that they can see their trainings and that they can open up their trainings and start implementing their trainings. Because if they don't see their back office, how are they going to know what the company has to offer? They gotta keep moving forward that way. Also, most people that sign up for the program don't even know that it's there to begin with. So, they gotta make sure we show them. And then implement what you've learned. Make sure that you take action on everything that you've learned and put it into your business, wherever it'll fit, wherever you can make it fit, whatever works. Make sure you take massive action on what you've learned, and don't stop. Don't ever stop, because like I said, once you stop, It's like you stay stagnant. It's harder to get the ball rolling again. But if you can keep that ball rolling and rolling and rolling, you'll get better at it, and you'll be able to keep consistent and know, hey, I got to keep on this. I got to keep going, and just keep it in your head and keep it in your mind, and your mind will program that into your head that you need to keep going and not stop. Because once you start to stop, that's it. Your business is dead. So, and then always stay consistent on what you're doing and on learning how to build and focus on their business and focus on that one thing that you're learning, and focus on it until you master it. And once you master that, then move on to the next. So if it's solo ads, master the solo ads, master it on how to work the solo ads, how to get vendors, how to get them, programmed into your system to where they're asking you when you want time, or when you want more, instead of you asking them. And then you can negotiate even better with that, negotiating price down, whatever you need to do to get them to, go a little bit lower, or whatever they need, you can help them as well. But always, just master that one thing first and then move on to the next and then master that. These are skill sets. And once you learn these skill sets, your business will become a lot easier than what it is when you first started. And you'll look back and say, hey, that wasn't me, and that was you, and you look at it and say, I'm a totally different person. But just always stay consistent and never stop. Never take 2 steps back. And the other thing is once you implement these things and just keep it down as a core topic for your business, these 3 things, your business will keep moving forward. It might be moving forward slowly. Mine moves forward a little bit slow, but that's the way I want it, because I attain knowledge better if I move a little bit slower. So there's probably a lot of people out there like that. But just implement these 3 things and your business will thrive. You just keep working at it, keep learning these skill sets one at a time, never 2 at a time. Just do 1 at a time until you master it. I appreciate you stopping by my live tonight. My name is Tracy Lee, TracyLeeCoaching.com. Have a good night. We'll see you on the next one. Bye now.